Now just observe one thing here. You can notice one thing. We have a header here. Okay, serial number, name, mobile number, everything given in a second row. Everything given in a second row. For example, you have so many data. You have around 200 or 300 clients you have. When I scroll down, you can observe the entire data has been moving, right? Even the header also has been moving along with as I scroll down. Okay, to avoid that one, for example, this up to second column, first row and second row need to be there itself. Only data need to be moved. How to do that one? How to do that? First we have to select which row need to be preached. Which row need to be preached? Select that one. Second row need to be preached, in the sense it should not move anywhere. Second row should not move. Then go to a view. Go to view here. View, click on view. Please please then select this option, that is nothing but up to current row, that is the second row. Which row you have been selected, that row here it will be indicated. By default it will give one first row and second row, first two rows or no rows. Okay, but we will select up to current row, that is nothing but selected row 2. Now you can see one a line has been drawn here after second row. Okay, that shows that it will be freezed. You can observe now. You can notice a change. Okay, when I drag it down, when I scroll down, you can observe that first row and second row are constant. Other rows are moving up and down. Okay, this is about a freezing a row. For example, if you like to take off that one, if you like to take it out, freezing a row, then again you go to view, freeze, no rows. We have to select first option, no rows. Otherwise, select which row you would like to freeze. You can select that particular row, go to view, freeze, up to current row, that is nothing but sixth row you have been selected. So it is saying that sixth row will be freezed, in a sense up to sixth row it will be constant, rest of the rows will be moving. View, to take it out, view, freeze, no rows.